performance from this side as they put themselves in place at the next stage of the competition. The manager's playing a 4-5-1 formation today. And the away team have gone with this lineup. So we're underway and the players really looking forward to this game. Back towards the centre. The keeper collects that one. He chooses to throw this one out. It's back with the goalkeeper. Distributes the play. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. The striker picks it up. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Not a good tackle at all. Silva. And he's stayed onside. Surely now. And it's saved by the keeper. Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. He's hitting it long. Ball's across the line, it's out of play. The keeper hits the goal kick long. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. He's found an opening. Let's see that one again. Corner taken on. Gets the header in. Here's the shot. Just needed a bit more composure to get that shot on target. Wide of the mark from the player. Let's take another look at it. Keeper sends it long. The striker picks it up. Great footwork there. Can he finish it? And he hits it back off the bar. Oh, well taken by the goalkeeper. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. He's got the ball at his feet. What a chance! This is Silva! Oh, nice finish there. Oh, what a stunning goal here, as he finds the back of the net with ease. A chance to have a better look here. That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. We're entering injury time. That's good link-up play. Great skill from... And he hits it! Oh, good catch by the keeper. It's half-time and a chance for the managers to do their work. It's time for the second half of this league match. Oh, well intercepted. He's so skillful on the ball. And here's a chance. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. This player is taking on the opposition. Oh, it's a clear chance. Shoots. That's out for a corner kick. Let's take another look at that. Whipped in with pace. Good defending there. That one has gone out of play.
With the calibre of players on the bench, I'm not surprised the manager will be making some substitution.
He tries something special. I'm not sure the goalkeeper would have had that.
Well, let's take another look at that. No cards yet from the referee. He's headed the ball forward.
Silva. He must score, surely. This is Silva.
He's scored a brace. Let's see that one again.
So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game.
Distributes the play.
They've won the ball back again.
Passed inside.
Not a good challenge. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. And that clearance will lift the pressure.
The defender regains possession. That's a rash challenge there.
The ref sent him off. Red card.
You try to knock me down when you can't get your way.
Well, surely all he can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left, and it seems all over. Goalkeeper's ball, well taken. He chooses to throw this one out. Good ball.
A missed challenge there. Oh, well intercepted. And we're into stoppage time now. The fourth official has indicated 5.
Fancies his chances from here. That's well wide. Let's take another look at that effort on goal. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. The referee blows his whistle there, and it's full time.